Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Poutbox. This is a brand new lip beauty subscription box that delivers cruelty-free lipsticks, liners, glosses, oils, masks, and more. The first box is going to launch December 1st. So this is a little sneak peek. So they do give you some information about the products inside and how much they retail for, which I really do like and appreciate. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment so we can take a peek. So the first thing in the box, we have a CBD Lip Balm. That's awesome. I haven't tried that. Let's see, elevates your green routine with this natural hemp-derived CBD balm. Cool. Take a look at that. I know CBD products are really big, have been for a little while. Doesn't have much of a scent, but that goes on really smooth. I love that. Also have, this is such cute packaging. LONOLIPS, I think is how you say it. This is a tinted lip balm called Rhubarb. That's adorable. And a pretty shade too. So I'll put that back in there. The next item in the box is from KNC Beauty, all natural collagen infused lip mask. So it's supposed to give you plump, hydrated, soft, smooth, moisturized, kissable lips. That's pretty neat. And the next item, REALHER, Take on the World. Liquid lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. So it looks like it's a set. And it does say on there that it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and it's infused with shea butter and jojoba seed oil. Ooh, that's cool. This is a neat box so far. Lots of like items, even if you want to get it for yourself and like re-gift some of it. They're packaged nicely. So let's take a look at this one. Lip liner. It's pretty. I like the packaging on that. That's pretty neat. I like the sneak peek of the color at the bottom. The one looks like it's a nice gloss. This one says I am enough on the packaging. Ooh, that's real creamy and soft. Those are really nice colors. I do tend to wear a lot of like neutrals and shades like that as opposed to like pink or red, so that's pretty. Also included a sharpener, very nice, and this one has a little piece that slides out so you can use it to clean it. BEAUTE FATALE. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. I love that color. Not sure I could pull it off, but that is very pretty. This has a ton of stuff in it for a lip box. So this one is another lipstick in the shade Charmed. Ooh, cute packaging. And another beautiful shade that I definitely would wear. That is right up my alley. And I think this one is the last in the box. 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. Very pretty. Really shimmery too. Awesome. So let's take a look at that card. So there's the lip kit that retails for $36. Then the Sparkle Balm retails for $17. It says it can be used in many ways as a sparkle balm underneath a gloss or a topper over a liquid lipstick. Then the lipstick for $28. CBD balm for $10. The Satin lipstick for $17. And then on the back we have the Tinted Lip Balm for $13.50 and then the Collagen mask for $4. That is a really nice lip box. Great variety. And this is a new monthly subscription, so if you guys are interested, make sure you check them out. I will have all their information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.